Alright, we got a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. We're going to be replacing the serpentine belt. So, let's start off by taking out the wheel. It's going to be size 17s. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this adapter here. So when all the bolts come out, the wheel does not fall off. Alright, take these out. Alright, now let's take out the wheel. Alright, now with the wheel out, we're gonna move this out of the way. Alright. Now that we got access, we're gonna be taking this out as well. I'm taking out the panel, so let's go on and start doing that. Alright, so in grand total we're going to be removing 6 bolts. So let's go on ahead and start taking these out. I'm going to start off with the ones on the side here. Now let's take this one out over here. Now this one. And there's one that's also going to be around here next to the suspension. And one more above it, right about here. Alright. And there's one more here. Alright. Probably more bolts on the underside. There's still 2 more down here to take care of. Alright. Alright, now that we're ready to take it out, now we're going to be grabbing this side right here and turning it over. Alright, then grab the camera and turn on the light. Alright, here's our belt. This belt right here, this idler right here, that's our tensioner. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab a special socket so we can make sure this thing holds itself on the on-lock setting. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, so all we're going to be grabbing here, for me in this case, it's going to be a 17 millimeter. We're going to be putting it on the off position. Once that's on the off position, all we're going to do is just twist it. And as you can see, that loses the tensions. We can slowly take it out now. I'm going to let go of the tension. All it is for the most part is the tensioner, the crankshaft, AC compressor, and the alternator, and back to the tensioner. So all we're going to do now is just take it out. And now we're going to replace it with a new one. Alright, to put it in, to put everything back in, we're just going to grab, I would prefer mostly to put everything back to here. Gonna make sure that tensioner goes there and that goes there. Make sure the alternator connects as well. As for the AC compressor, well, we're gonna do what we just did earlier. I'm gonna grab my, put on the off position as again. With that connected, all I'm gonna do is the same thing I just did earlier. Careful. Lock that in. Alright. Alright. Now that's lifted all the way. Just gonna pull on this carefully until it goes in. Gently let it go. And before I say it's good, one thing I'm gonna do is just check that everything stays within the groove. As you saw there, it wasn't fully grooved in. Alright, check here. Alright, and that's how you do your serpentine belt.